Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create Oracle GL recurring journals. So before we start, first we need to understand what are recurring journals and what is the purpose of going for a recurring journals. So as the name itself says, recurring journals are the journals which are recurring in nature. If there are any kind of an adjustment journals which you want to pass every month, then you can go for creation of the recurring journals template. Once you create the template, every month you can just navigate to the template and then just click on submit button, which will create the journal whatever is required for you on a month on month basis. So first we'll see how to create the template. So you need to log into Gen Ledger Vision Operations Responsibility and then navigate to Journals, Define, Recurring. So this is where you create your recurring journal template. So give any meaningful name for your batch. So in the current scenario, I'll show you how to create a recurring journal batch. So here my requirement is to create a journal entry wherein I want to debit a rent account and credit my rent accrual account on a month-on-month basis. So I'll give the recurring batch name as say monthly rental accrual batch, and this is the description for the batch. You can just leave it blank. This is optional field, and if you want you can create one template across different ledgers, or you can leave this recurring batch type as single ledgers, wherein you need to specify the ledger name under which you want this particular recurring journal to be created, and here enter the journal name. I'll say the journal name as say monthly rental accrual journal, and the category, the journal category. So specify the journal category as a adjustment, or you can pick up any other existing journal categories. As you know that whenever you create a journal category is a mandatory. So that's the reason why even in the template you need to specify the category and of course the currency in which you want the recurring journal to be created. Click on lines. So first enter the line number as say 1 and specify the account which you want to say a debit. So in this example, so I want to debit say rental account. So I'll specify the code combination for the rental account. I'll say rent expense, and this is just a simple recurring template with say 2 lines. So I specify amount, say $1,000, and there are a couple of other options like you can use the formulas and other things. So I'm just going for a simple recurring journal wherein you can just specify the amount. So this is the account which you want to debit. Now put your cursor here. Click on control down arrow. First you need to save this changes. Okay. So this is line number 2, the account which I want to credit. So I want to credit say rent accrual account. I'll go for this rental accrual adjustment account. I want to credit this account. So what you need to do is specify the amount in negative. So that's how system understand the amount is mentioned in negative, that account should be credited. If the amount is mentioned in positive, that amount should be debited. So in this example I have taken only 2 lines, one debit and one credit, but you can create the same recurring journal template for multiple lines wherein you can have multiple debits and multiple credits. Now save this. Okay. So this completes the creation of the recurring journal template, and now you want to generate the recurring journal template into a recurring journal. So click on generate, click on submit, and now this particular form, or like once you click on submit button, system will generate the corresponding recurring journal. So what is the period in which you want to generate this recurring journal? Say I'll say September 17. So this is the general effective date, so it is defaulted to today's date. If you want you can change the date. Click on submit. A concurrent request gets triggered in the background, so ensure that the request is completed normal, and once this request is completed you can click on view output and pick up the batch name, and then you can query for your batch to see if the system has created the corresponding recurring journal. Yeah, yeah, it's completed. Now click on view output. So this is the batch which got created, and copy the batch name. I think the batch name is truncated. So copy this batch name. Uh, it's taking a while to close the form. Yeah, now go to journals, enter, and whatever the journal batch name, whatever you have copied, so enter that batch name and just put a percentage because the batch name was not completely specified in the output. It was truncated, so put a percentage. Click on find. So this is the batch which system has created. Go to review journal, and you can check that this is the account whatever we have mentioned, rent account, which for $1,000. So now the rent account is debited, and the rental accrual account for the same $1,000 which is credited. So whatever the line wherein we have entered the amount in negative got credited, and now you can post this journal, and every month on month basis you can navigate to the same recurring journal template. You can bring up your template. So the template name, monthly recurring uh, monthly. Okay, so this is the batch. So here you can see the last period for which this particular recurring batch got generated is for September. And next month what you can do is, again you can click on generate button, you can click on submit, and then you can specify the next month, October, and then you can submit this recurring batch for the next month. So you can follow the same process for any number of months wherein you want to generate the recurring templates. And again, even before you generate the recurring template for the next month, if you want, you can go to lines and you can make the changes to the template. You can increase or decrease the amount, or you can change the accounts, and then click on the generate and then submit button. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle Financials, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.